presenting and launching a duplex penthouse available in this standing four towers. You can see the four towers. We have got a duplex penthouse on sale in this school building. You can see the building area, you can see the back area, you can see the road. This is your GCC club. We are standing on the US Oswald School. This is in Mira Road, a very developed city in its 20s. You can see this building. We have got a top floor open to sky penthouse available for sale in this building. A very good penthouse. Keep watching for further details. This is your road. The building has one level down podium parking. You can enter the podium parking from the back side. This is your main entrance. This is your main road. It is a very good locality and very posh region of Mira Road. Raj Lifestyle, a developing project by Raj Realty Group. They are a real estate development company established in the year 2005 and 2006. This is the renovating work going on in the complex, fully painting and renovation going on. This is the area to come up with your car driving like a king. They hold the distinction of being one of the top builders and developers in Mirabai in the region and have successfully executed more than a dozen of projects in this belt. They are proud of the fact that projects have been executed in a timely manner with no compromise and quality. They are focused on growth and are continuously upgrading techniques involved in developing our projects for timely execution and quality enhancement. They ensure that our buyers are always satisfied by our services, as we believe that a house is not only a concrete structure, instead it is a buyer's dream, and we feel proud of being a part of their dream. This is the whole area. This is the open parking. You can see down we are one level up because we have a podium down. You can see the building structure. It is a very good structure. All the renovating works are going on. You can see all the bamboos. This is your main entrance lobby. A very good glass work done in the lobby and a spacious lobby. Raj Lifestyle live in Vogue. You can see the whole lobby space over here. A very big spacious lobby. Now finally let's see the house. This is a duplex penthouse available on sale in this building. This is the whole living space. A fully furnished penthouse available on sale. Let's go to the balcony. You can see the whole view from the top 12th floor. You can see the open space ahead. This is west facing and there will be no construction in this area because there is a school, a commercial building and a commercial club. This is your GCC club. This is your US Oswald School. Behind that there is a GCC school and it is a very developed area in Mira Road. You can see the whole living space, how the work has been done with so good and imported wallpapers. You can see this staircase. This is a staircase to go up on your rooftop penthouse terrace. This is your spacious living space with immaculate lofts and boxes. You can see the spacious area of this kitchen. This is the dry balcony space with storage, with fridge. Your fridge is over here. Your gas line is there. This is also a good view. You can open this window for your ventilation. A very good sea facing view. This is your lofts. Now let's go ahead. This is your ceiling work done. Everything is fully cleared and very beautifully designed. This is your washing machine. Everything has been kept accordingly to maintain and use every space. You can see the whole storage facilities over here. This is your very good staircase, very well designed. Now let's go inside. This is a spacious washroom. Wow, what a washroom. You can see this washroom, a very good, beautifully designed big size washroom. This is your common room. Actually there are two people, so they have made a common room for their sitting here. A very spacious room. They have increased the balcony and taken the balcony inside, so there is no balcony over here, but it is having a open view. You can see the whole area of this room, a very beautifully designed with wallpapers, with furniture, with tiles and many more equipments in the house. You can see everything. Very spacious room. Now let's see the master bedroom. This is your master bedroom, a very well designed, very well furnished, very well planned, a beautiful master bedroom of this immaculate penthouse. You can see the whole furniture. You can see the wardrobes, sliding wardrobes with immaculate mirrors and cuttings. This is your bathtub, a very well designed with all the way tiles up to the ceiling. These things are mostly done by people who love to live like a king. So all tiling work has been done till the ceiling. No required for any work. This is your bathtub, a very well designed washroom too. This is your whole room. You can see the whole room again. Now let's open these curtains and let's see the open view. Wow, we also get an open view over here. a very good open view, sea facing, road facing, higher floor, a very good penthouse available on sale. Don't miss out this chance to live in a penthouse. This is a city in Mira Road. Mira Road is a city which is developing like a king city in this 20s and will be the most developed city in whole Mumbai. This is fact. Now let's see ahead. This was a whole bathtub area. This is all your washroom. This is your master bedroom washroom. This is the whole master bedroom. You can see everything as it is, AC, curtains. This is your main open to sky terrace which will be awaited for every person to live in. You can see the whole flowers, you can see the pots, you can see how she has designed this house. Wow, you can see the whole area over here, a very well designed flowers, very well designed curtains, very well designed encryptors. You can see the swings, you can see the grass, you can see everything very well designed and very maintained. You can see everything, a very spacious terrace on the top floor. You can see this terrace, it is a very good spacious terrace to attend to maintain every function over here. You can enjoy with your family and friends, you can enjoy your ceremonies, you can enjoy your many engagements over here because it is a very good private terrace going up inside from your own house. A very good flat, a very good duplex penthouse available on sale in this Mira Road city. You can see everything, you can see the whole view from the top floor. You can see all the Evoke towers. This is US Oswald School. You can see that sea, you can see that water, sea facing view. A very good penthouse available on sale in Mira Road. Now let's see everything. This is your area. Now this is your puja room. The owner has made this as puja room. See how she has made the stairs with all grasses. A very well designed, really very well designed. You can see the whole mountains over there which is behind Fountain Hotel. All 360 view available, and the flat is so much of wind flowing, I cannot explain. All the doors are banging like anything. You can see everything. This is your stairs, we came up. This is your whole terrace area. Now let's see this puja room. Let's go. Wow, a very spacious, lavishly designed puja room. She has made it as puja room. The buyer has to change anything by himself, he can do it. A very well designed duplex penthouse available on sale in Mira Road. Don't miss out this chance to live like a king. Do contact for more details.